Firstly, this is your typical 10RD valve. I'll show you how to take it apart with the 10RD Disassembly Tool. First, remove the cotter pin. Get 10RD Disassembly Tool, slide the finger arm ring all the way to the top. Place it over the spring. Then slide the finger arm ring down, line your bolts up with the divots in the finger arms. Turn the bolts into the divots and just tighten them up to grip the spring. Just turn it in enough to grip the spring. Do not grip the hub at this time. Then tighten down your bolts on top to compress the spring cap. Tighten bolts all the way down to compress the spring. Now that you have the spring compressed, reach in there with your fingers and loosen up the 10RD spindle nut castle nut. When you get towards the top, pull the disassembly tool up so you can turn the nut rest away off. The nut may catch on the burrs of the hole that's drilled through for the cotter pin. Once you have the nut off, remove it. Pull the spring assembly out. Then you can pull your valve plate apart so you can service it. Putting it back together, just do it in reverse. Make sure you lubricate your spindle a little bit. And the spindle O-ring in there. Place valve plate back on 10RD spindle. Drop it down. Just do everything right in reverse. Now I turn the nut all the way down until it lines up, the cast nut lines up with the hole so you can put a cotter pin into it. Once you're all the way down, back off the bolts. And loosen up your finger arm ring bolts. finger arm ring back to the top. Remove disassembly tool. Spring your cotter pin back in. There you go, reassembled.